Digital signage in a restaurant should do more than simply display information. When it is designed and installed thoughtfully, it can help restaurants update menus and daily specials quickly, present food and promotions more clearly, and maintain consistent branding throughout the venue. It can also be used to communicate useful information such as waiting times, upcoming events, promotions or different dining options. However, particularly in premium restaurants, more screens do not necessarily create a better experience. The display needs to suit the space, be positioned carefully and show content that complements the restaurant's atmosphere. Mounting hardware, cables and supporting equipment should also be kept discreet so the technology feels like part of the interior rather than an afterthought. The goal is not simply to install a screen. It is to create a digital signage solution that communicates clearly without distracting from the dining experience.